So many points. Man, can you choose one direction to show? Okay, agree on something. Man, morning is coming. You're not going to kill anyone if you're going to keep doing like this.
People are waking up.
I really am falling asleep. Come on.
Jan is guessing.
Please, man, decide.
I think you have Yakuza and Cosa Nostra. This.
Yeah, I think that either we have to kill one or we're not going to kill anybody.
They want to kill everyone, I think.
Why are you talking really?
Okay, but you see, I get different points, man. I cannot kill somebody. Morning comes, 5, 4, no. I'm saying that you still have some time. But please, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, do you have a choice? Okay, Mafia is not killing anybody, so I think that citizens are getting the second chance to choose who is the Mafia.
Are we opening eyes?
Yes, open your eyes.
Subhan is the Mafia.
Mafia
Your eyes are open for 5 minutes.
No. When she said 0, then I opened the eyes.
Yeah. What?
So in my opinion,
But in
Zubair
zero
is the
you asked
Mafia.
after 0 was not the morning.
I didn't
Zero is
say the
morning.
morning, but I
Yes,
have
0
don't
is
know
not
whether you
morning.
have seen.
So she was countdown. She was having a
That was not
countdown.
morning. That was hour for the decision. That was not the morning.
Can we
Well,
kill
everyone opened
Zhenya?
at 0.
So Umar is Mafia.
That was not. No, that is not about being mafia or not.
Can we
No,
restart?
whatever.
Saying that.
That's why she said 0 and everyone
Now I'm
was on
thinking
it.
about it.